Meaning of embrasure.
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 Embrasure. An embrasure is a narrow, slanted opening in a fortification or castle wall, used to defend against attackers. It typically has a wider opening at the front and a narrower one at the back, allowing defenders to fire weapons while limiting their exposure. Embrasures were commonly used in medieval Europe and are still found in some modern military structures. They are an important feature of defensive architecture, offering protection for defenders while allowing them to attack enemy forces.